Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And it's a prov one again, guys. So, I've got two projects on this because basically I think this is going to be quite a small one.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't need to get it out.
No.
So it's a Perspex one with a hanging chain.
Yeah.
So it hangs up. You'll see at the end.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's special diamond painting, which means there's some Parkley shaped ones as well as the normal Parkley. So that's that one.
Yep.
Then we also have tulips.
Uh-huh.
There are. It doesn't say, Darren.
Don't know. Are they hanging ones or are they keyring ones?
I can't remember. I'm gonna have to get it out to have a look.
Or are they magnets?
I don't know. I think they're magnets. I think they're magnets. Oh, there's some good shaped ones there. Look at them. Oh, there's a big round one. In the round window. They're magnets.
They're magnets, yeah.
Hence the doohickey sticky bits.
The doohickey magnet bits, yeah.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4,
thin either,
5, 6, 7. No.
7?
Hang on. 3, 4, 8.
8. I was going to say, I don't know what to do 7. So
it's
be 6 or 8, wouldn't they?
Tulip magnets.
Yeah.
Now, you may have noticed that we're a few bits in yet, and I haven't actually decorated yet. That's because we're planning on having a bit where we put everything together.
Debbie is,
and Darren will show you around the areas that we put things. Because I thought it'd be a bit of fun.
Yeah.
So guys, let's get going. Right then, my lovelies. So
he's a hanging bunny wreath.
It really didn't disappoint. It is so Parkley.
It is.
I mean,
it doesn't show the Parkley properly,
cute.
but it shows quite a bit. See if will it park them with that?
You're flashing at the bunny.
Not really. It doesn't park. It parkles a bit more. Like that.
It parkles lots in real life.
No, in real life it does, yeah.
But yeah, I know I've said it before, but on smaller projects like this, they're ideal for beginners.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I've got my Easter one done.
Yep.
So let's get to the next. Right then, lovelies. So, as you can probably tell, I did these magnets a little bit ago, but they're only coming out to play now because, you know. So, there we go.
Yep.
They are very pretty.
See
I know they're really simple. But but they're quite effective actually, and I just thought they'd look lovely on the radiator because let's face it, I mean, okay, maybe it's a little cold at the moment, but this time of year I might as well make it look pretty, haven't I?
That's right. They all the same pattern?
Yes. Yeah, they're just different colours, but I really liked them.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I got a tulip in something else I did as well, so I'm pretty sure these aren't the first ones that I've done. But yeah, really super pretty, really cute, and they just jazz up a bit.
Yeah.
And don't worry, I won't let the bunny on the roof get too close because, you know, I don't want him eating them.
No.
You hear that, Bun? I'm not mad, I'm talking to my bunny. Right, my lovelies. So, as always, be different. A very merry unhoo-hoo. Happy Ostara. And it's got to be another bunny boop.